Hi, in this video I will show you how you can make custom thumbnail for your shorts. So as you can see that shorts custom thumbnail is really important for getting the high click-through rate which will increase the views of your shorts. So here in order to do that visit canva.com. It's canva.com, and on the top right corner click on create a design. There you will see Instagram story option. Click on that. That's exactly the size of the shorts thumbnail. So select any template. Let's say for example I select this. Do all your editing by uploading your custom photos. You can remove this and add your custom photos here. Also you can add your text here. There is a lot of free text option, and you can edit the brightness and contrast as well. I recommend using high brightness and contrast because most people use their phone, use the YouTube app in night mode, dark mode, dark theme. So higher contrast and brightness will help make your thumbnail stand out from the rest. So after you done all your increasing contrast and saturation thing, then there is one button, it's called share. Click on that, and there is download option. Now you will have to download it as PNG. Click on download, it will be downloaded, and that's exactly the size of the thumbnail which is required for your shorts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video if this helped, and subscribe if you want to subscribe, and hit the like button anyway.